Hello dear children, welcome back to my talks. And yes, today I am there with respiration in plants, standard 11th biology. Yes, I may not be looking very presentable. Yeah, I'm not well, but now because quite you will definitely lack in studies, and that is why I thought that at least some videos must be there for you to be on the right track of your studies. So making this video, okay, do uh, take it, do see it, appreciate, okay. And so we begin with this particular process. The introductory portion I have already completed, and today I am going to start with glycolysis. Yes, what is glycolysis? Okay, glycolysis, normally when we started with the chapter, children, I told you that the process of respiration itself is breaking down of food to get energy. Okay, why do we eat food? In order to get energy. Okay, and as we get the food, we do not get energy out of it. As we eat the food, we do not get energy. The food has to be broken down. And what is it which helps in breaking down? Okay, complex into simplest, it is the oxygen which acts upon it. Okay, so this respiration again is a very important process, okay, in order to release energy. So it is said that it is the glucose which is broken down, which contains maximum of energy, which is broken down in order to release energy. Okay, and when we talk about it, it is EMP pathway. Okay, and the scientists who gave this pathway, they are Ambedin, Meyerhoff and Parnas. Okay, they are the ones who gave this EMP pathway. And yes, this glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell. Okay, whether it is plants or animals, it takes place in all the organisms. Yes, in plants, it's not glucose which is the main food upon which it takes place. It is sucrose. Okay, and sucrose is broken down into fructose. Okay, so sucrose is broken down into glucose and fructose, and the enzyme which acts upon it is invertase. Okay, so they are the two monosaccharide units that happens in plants while in animals also. So it takes place in aerobic, anaerobic organisms everywhere. This is a common process which takes place in all organisms. Okay, so when we talk about today, we are going to do the steps of glycolysis. In the last class, children, I had already told you that the breaking down of food in order to release energy does not take place just in one step. Okay, there are steps. Okay, step by step it has to be broken down in order to release energy. If all the energy is released at one particular time, the body is not in a position to utilize it. So quite a lot of energy is wasted as well. So step by step the energy is released and it is utilized, and the energy is stored in the form of ATP. Okay, ATP bonds, and whenever it is required, it is broken down in order to provide energy. So let us come back to the steps of glycolysis. Okay, so when we say that the energy, you can say the energy food or the product of photosynthesis actually, okay, is considered as glucose. So it is the glucose upon which the glycolysis takes place. So let me take the pen. So it is glucose. Glucose is always a 6 carbon compound. Okay, then this is broken down to like step by step process. I said glucose into glucose 6 phosphate. Glucose itself C6H12O6, that is a 6 carbon compound. Okay, and here glucose 6 phosphate, that is also a 6 carbon compound. It breaks down into fructose 6 phosphate and that into fructose 1,6 biphosphate. Here it is triphosphate and triose phosphate. Okay, two molecules of triose phosphate. It is dihydroxyacetone phosphate and phosphoglyceraldehyde. So that is there. We will take it in the next step. So these are from fructose 1,6 phosphate. यहाँ तक 6 carbon compound होता है और यहाँ से 2 molecules of 3 carbon compounds it becomes. After that, it gives 2 molecules of triose biphosphate, that is again 3 carbon compound, and 2 molecules of triose phosphate. Okay, phosphate. Now, this triose phosphate gives 2 molecules of phosphoglycerate. Phosphoglycerate, yes, I am getting a little problem to speak also, but only and only for your sake. Okay, phosphoglycerate. Phosphoglycerate breaks down into phosphoenol pyruvate. 2 molecules. Okay, that is why it is written 2 into 2-phosphoglycerate, like that it is written, okay, glycerate Te, phosphoenol pyruvate and 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. So the end product of glucose is pyruvic acid, and that pyruvic acid will be the end product of all the organisms, whether it has to enter into fermentation, okay, whether alcoholic fermentation, whether anaerobic respiration, whatever it is, and the fate is decided after this. After till here it will be common, and pyruvic acid enters into what and how it is broken down into, because it is not complete breakdown, okay, it has to be broken down into carbon dioxide and water, isn't it? So that is how, and plus energy, that is actually the main process of respiration. That is the main function of respiration, in order to release energy. So the complete breakdown, for complete breakdown of glucose, okay, or into the energy form, that is carbon dioxide and water, and release energy, okay, that has to that requires oxygen, and it has to enter into another cycle. मतलब pyruvic acid से उनको और एक cycle में enter करना होगा for the complete breakdown and for the release of maximum energy. That is known as Krebs cycle. That is what I said, that for different organisms, for different cycles, whether anaerobic respiration, fermentation, whatever it is, we will be going in elaborate way, okay, it enters, and that is how it is broken down, okay. Little I'll refer to your book also, okay. So this triose phosphate, which I said, 2 molecules, yes, you can look at the blackboard, triose phosphate, okay, as it is the 2 molecules of triose phosphate I have said, okay, that is, you can say this one glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate, glyceraldehyde, okay, and dihydroxyacetone phosphate, and after that it gives this 2 molecules of triose biphosphate, that is 1,3-biphosphoglyceric acid, okay. Triose phosphate is 3-phosphoglyceric acid, okay, and that is what. So in this particular process, children, in this complete process, okay, 2 molecules of ATP is consumed glycolysis में, एक ग्लूकोज से ग्लूकोज 6-phosphate ब्रेक करने में एक ATP यूज हुआ, दिस इज द फर्स्ट ATP which is utilized, and the other one fructose 6-phosphate से fructose 1,6-biphosphate में, this is the second ATP which is utilized, got it? And what energy जो फॉर्म हुआ है ग्लाइकोलाइसिस से, ओके, यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, ट्रायोस फॉस्फेट से 2 molecules of triose biphosphate, this is one, okay, NADH is formed, one NADH is formed, and over here when we say this is one ATP formed, okay, this is one ATP formed, this is utilized, okay, this is also utilized, this is what is obtained, okay, this is also obtained, and here obtained. Now children, how many bonds are utilized? So हम utilized में क्या करेंगे, देखो 1 and 2, so 2 ATP bonds, got it? And formed में क्या करेंगे? Formed में, are you able to understand when I said here, okay, 1 ATP is formed, so this is twice it will take place, no children, 2 triose biphosphate से 2 triose phosphate में आ रहा है, तो 2 ATP यहीं पे फॉर्म हो जाएगा, बिकॉज एक बार एक रिएक्शन में एक ATP और दूसरा में 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स है, तो एक मॉलिक्यूल एक ट्रायोस फॉस्फेट को ब्रेक करने के लिए, और मतलब 2 मॉलिक्यूल है, तो ये 2 मॉलिक्यूल को 2 ATPs over here, okay, and 2 ATPs over here, got it? 2 molecules are there, okay, and finally it is 4 ATP. And over here when we talk about NADH is also how many? 2, because यहाँ से आपका 2 molecules शुरू हो गया है, ठीक है, ट्रायोस फॉस्फेट से 2 molecules शुरू हो गया है, 3 कार्बन कंपाउंड है, देयर वी हैव, ओके. सो दिस इज हाउ, एंड ये 2 - 2 यहाँ से कर देंगे, सो फाइनली द नेट प्रोडक्शन इज 2 ATP and 2 NADPH. This is the main, you can say, the bonds which are formed, the net ATP bonds formed as a result of glycolysis. So this is all what is glycolysis, children. We will continue with the next topic, okay, fermentation. Let me see If it's today, I'll do it today. Okay, but yes, let me see. Okay, so hope you will appreciate and you'll understand also. If you have any problems, do write your comments in the comment box. Okay, even if you like it, do comment over there. Okay, that you have liked it, you appreciate my work. Okay, share and subscribe. Thank you all. Thank you so much.